So now that the content fits, I want to mark up examples in this document for people to see. How can I do that? Well, I could use just text or a frame. I'm going to choose a frame and I'll show you why in a second. I just put a box. As you see, there's this light blue outline. That means there's nothing to see in the box. But now I'm going to type. And in here, I'm going to type something like the red is vibrant and the white pops on the screen. Also, the size of the image is the first thing noted. Okay, so I've just typed some stuff. Now, if you're picky and don't like the font, you can select the text, you can change it. I may have far too many texts. I might be a text hoarder, but we won't talk about that right now. Anyway, I'm just going to leave it at the default. And I want my viewers to know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to draw some lines. I might draw a line here. And look, if you notice down here, this shows the color of the stroke of the line. That will close the fill. If I wanted to change that, I can go to Color or Swatches, and I could pick a different color. Say I wanted to do blue. If I wanted to make this line thicker, I could do that. If I wanted to add a stroke around the box, I have the stroke selected here, and now there's a stroke around the box. So what you can do are these little pointers and outlines to explain the different contents. Finally, I'm going to show you one more little tip should you decide you want to use it. Under Object, you have text frame options. Now, I don't know about you, but I hate it when the text goes right up against that margin line. So I'm going to create a little text area. When these chains are enacted, that means that it's going to change everything to the same size. If I undid that, I could change different ones. Something happened. Oopsie. There's a little red dot here. I also have a notation at the bottom of my screen that there is an error. That means there's too little of the box space and too much text. InDesign would normally allow you to just reflow it elsewhere, as done here, but we don't want to do that. We're just going to drag the box and make it a little bigger. All right, this is very simple example. Final thing I'm going to show you is how to save it so you can upload it to the discussion board.